Next question. If the product of the intercepts made by the straight line is x straight line x tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equal to 1 on the coordinate axis is equal to sine alpha, then find alpha. What is our straight line? X tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equal to 1. If I write in the intercept form, tan alpha 1 by cot alpha x by cot alpha secant alpha is equal to 1 by cos alpha, right? Tan alpha 1 by cot alpha is equal to what? Tan alpha. And 1 by cos alpha is equal to what? Secant alpha. So we can replace tan alpha by 1 by cot alpha, and it is in the form of intercepts. And what is given here? Why we are writing in intercept form? Because the product of the intercepts made by this line is equal to sine alpha. This is the hint here, right? So product of the intercept is sine alpha. Cot alpha into cos alpha is equal to what is the given? Sine alpha is given. So cot alpha is cos alpha by sine alpha, that is cos square alpha is equal to sine square alpha, and tan square alpha is equal to 1. Tan alpha may be plus or minus 1. When do you get? For tan 45 is 1 and tan 135 is minus 1. Just now we have seen in the previous question, right? But theta, that alpha is lying in between 0 and pi by 2. So we will take only 45. Here we have two chances, tan 45 and tan 135. That is for plus 1, for tan 45 plus 1, tan 135 is minus 1. But we consider 45 degrees only because alpha is lying in between 0 and pi by 2. So this type of questions also important. Here, these questions are all, we are transforming the given equation into different forms. A straight line have different forms. Slope intercept form, one straight line equation is given, we have to transform this equation into slope intercept form and intercept form normal form. What is slope intercept? Slope m, intercept c. If you know, the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Simply you can write directly y is equal to minus root 3x plus 4, direct answer. This is slope intercept form. We have to write in the form of the required form. Second one, intercept form. If a and b are the intercepts of x and y respectively, then what is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. In this form we have to write. That is root 3x plus y is equal to 4 is given thing, right? That implies if I divide with 4, root 3 by 4 into x plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Simply we are changing the form of the equation. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. In this form we are writing. This is the intercept form. And next one is normal form. What is the normal form? The normal form of a straight line is x into cos alpha. You remember this? X into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha is equal to p. What is the normal form of a straight line? X into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha is equal to p. Now this is the important step here. Here we take few steps. This is the given thing, root 3x plus y is equal to 4. So first let us take the square root of, suppose this is x coefficient square plus y coefficient square under square root of 3 plus 1, that is root 4 is equal to 2. So if you divide this equation with that 2, what do you get? Root 3 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 into y is equal to 4 by 2. That is root 3 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 into y is equal to 2. You have to look for alpha, for which alpha you will get this in the form of cos. For what values of cos you will get root 3 by 2? Can you tell me? Cos 60 degrees, sorry, cos 30 degrees you will have root 3 by 2, and sin 30 degrees you will get 1 by 2, and this alpha should be same, these values should be same. So x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 2. This is the normal form of the equation. Let us solve the next question. See, transform the equation x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 into slope intercept form and normal form. What is the slope intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c, right? So the given equation is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us write y is equal to minus x minus 1. That is y is equal to minus 1 into x plus -1. This is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c now. Intercept form let us write. x plus y is equal to minus 1, right? But here we should have 1. So that implies x by minus 1 plus y by minus 1 is equal to 1. I am sending this minus to this side. Now it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to also minus 1. Next one, normal form. What is the normal form? X cos alpha, remember, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and the important thing is p must be greater than 0, where p is positive. Okay, let us take the given equation. What is the given equation? Given equation is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now that implies x plus y is equal to minus 1. Let us write x coefficient, x terms here, y terms, and constant. Let us send this side. So x, but you have to get here p. That p must be positive. So you should take only positive values here. So I am multiplying with minus both sides. Minus x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. Now we'll consider, we have to divide star step. This is, we have to divide with what is x coefficient minus 1 square plus y coefficient minus 1 square, which is equal to 1 plus 1, that is root 2. Divide this equation, you say this as 1 with root 2 both sides. What do you get now? Minus 1 by root 2 into x plus minus 1 by root 2 into y is equal to 1 by root 2. Now you observe this one. Here you will get some cos alpha into x, that is x into cos alpha, y into sin alpha is equal to p. P is clear. X we have here, y we have. Only we need to write in the form of some cos alpha and y sin alpha, for which alpha you will get minus 1 by 2 in cos and sin. See, already we know that cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. That is okay. But what we have to get? Negative root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 you have to get. See, if I take cos 180, in which quadrants cos is negative, can you tell me? In second quadrant and in third quadrant. That means you can take 180 minus or 180 plus. 180 minus if I take, then what do you have? Minus cos 45. Okay, you are getting minus 1 by root 2. If you take 180 plus also, why I am taking 180? Why not 90 or 270? Because the function will not change on x-axis, right, which is equal to again 1 minus 1 by root 2. This is okay. But let us see, sin 45 degrees also 1 by root 2, but you need to get minus root 2. In these two quadrants, sin is negative. In these two quadrants, sin is negative. So which one is the common quadrant for both cos and sin? So sin 180 plus 45 is the only option to get minus 1 by root 2. For 180 plus 45 degrees, that means in third quadrant for both cos and sin you are getting minus 1 by 2. So that is cos 225 degrees x plus sin 225 degrees y is equal to 1 by root 2. Hence alpha, this is the normal form of the given equation. Only you have to think here few steps. Here you have some practice problems 1, 2, 3. You practice these 3 problems.